parents who are first time parents have their, like something as common as postpartum depression. It is very real. It happens. So probably these kids will also feel the anxiety if the mother is suffering that.
No, first I would want to, emphasize that postpartum depression is a very big terminology to use.
Okay.
So generally, all women go through postpartum blues. Of course, there are hormonal changes.
Okay.
It's a stress in pregnancy. She's just become a mom, so she knows certain things. She doesn't know certain things. Wanting to be a good parent all the time, and then yes, there's so much information from everybody around. Like in the best of health of the baby and the mother,
Right.
but then all family, friends, everybody's actually advising so much to the mother. Most of the times, so that's where it's she tries to bubble up and be in a cycle of being, I'm going through depression and there's grief and there's, but no, generally it's a postpartum blue where
Okay.
which is commonly seen in mothers.
Mhm.
To call it a depression, you have to have a persistent blue for more than 2 weeks and beyond, 14 15 days say over, and it's a persistent.
Okay.
So not one day there and not there, one day again there.
Okay.
No. But if it's a persistent one, and then there are stages and severities to it, and that's where you actually go and then the mother needs help, then the mother needs a professional help, and you call it a depression.
Okay.
But unfortunately, very commonly, every other mother or she starts feeling that, oh, I have postpartum depression, I have this, I have that. Generally, no, it's a very common feeling to go through, and it'll surpass
ups and downs of
ups and downs.
happy
It'll
moment,
surpass.
overwhelming moment, angry moment. You're like, yeah.
Correct.
So honestly, I'm glad you mentioned the post partum blues, right? Because I can clearly see that we use the word postpartum depression very loosely. That means like how आजकल हर चीज में कह देते हैं स्ट्रेस बहुत है, स्ट्रेस बहुत है. स्ट्रेस क्या होता है एक्चुअली वो बहुत बड़ी बात होती है.
Correct.
है ना, छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम्स को भी स्ट्रेस कह देते हैं.
Yeah.
सो आई कैन क्लियरली सी दैट यहाँ पे भी वही हो रहा है कि हम पोस्टमार्टम ब्लूज को पोस्टमार्टम डिप्रेशन का नाम देके अपनी मैटर्स को कॉम्प्लिकेट कर
Correct.
देते हैं, राइट?
Yeah.
बट द फैक्ट दैट द पेरेंट इज फीलिंग दैट पोस्टमार्टम ब्लूज, वेयर इज दिस कमिंग फ्रॉम? इज इट बिकॉज कि उनको भी टाइम लग रहा है एक्सेप्टिंग कि वो पेरेंट बन गए हैं, या दैट फीलिंग ऑफ पेरेंटहुड सिंकिंग, व्हाट इज इट?
Yeah. So, again, a very interesting question. And yes, the parent takes time to see. As couples, we also need to educate them that something called as transition parenting is there. So, a couple might go on a prenatal shoot, a postnatal shoot, go on baby moons, might enjoy their pregnancy journey and delivery and newborns, and you might have all the fancies for your babies that you require and all of that. But when do you actually feel like you're a mother or a father? And because we groom maybe in a certain way, so it's like, oh, now I'm a mother, I'm a father. But that feeling of a couple being a parent also comes at about 3.5 4 months of age of the baby. So that is called as transition parenting. And so allow that to sink in. That's where I said that these bumps and these ups and downs are bound to happen. You're not a bad parent or a good parent, and don't term and label all that, because it's going to take no matter how much you feel, but it is going to come at a certain age, and where you'll by just naturally you'll start understanding that, okay, I'm a father or I'm a mother to the child. And then so of course responsible decisions prior before having a child and all of that, but that still is existent scientifically. So transition parenting is there, and it takes time for the couple to actually nurture back and fall back in that space for that family bond.
Oh, that's a very important thing to understand, that it's very normal for the newborn parents to get that feeling कि वो mother या father बन गया. Can take up 3 to 4 months, so don't feel anxious about it.
Yeah, but
that's normal.
keep going. Like, you have to do things for your baby and keep going, right? And yes, and your own pediatricians and your own doctors are I think those are the best help that you have on a scientific ground. So
Right.
and because you have 3 vaccine visits, like and you are going to visit your pediatrician on and
True.
off with your baby. So I think wherever else, when you don't understand in that journey and you're confused as a parent, you can always seek help with your own doctors, where maybe things will come out in the best possible interest of
True.
the mother and the child and the father, all of them. And then later on you'll sail through, like, then you
Absolutely.
understand and then you sail
Yeah,
through.
it's a natural process.
It's a natural-
Ultimately, it'll happen.
Correct.
Happens to everybody. So no anxiety on that part, really. So.
Yeah.